That's a brief explanation of what I've got here. I've got a solenoid, which is I believe this one's a 12 volt, but a 6 volt one would work perfectly fine. I've got a steel rod going down to a rule, which is stuck to the rod using masking tape, just as a temporary fix. Two masses, well, a mass hanger and some masses at that side, just to keep it from twisting. In the trough, I've got a piece of white plastic, but I also have a plastic mirror, which I have put on two waterproof marks at 0 and 1 centimetre, as it marked it there, 0.1 metre. This is a head torch, and when I switch that on, you'll notice that the marks are shown fairly faintly here, but they are discernible. If I now switch the signal generator on, I'm using a square wave at a low frequency. It's up for the pupil now to take values and estimate the time it takes for the broad pulse to go through the to travel the length from 0 to the 1 centimetre mark.